Hi, my name is Johnny, and I've been having some dental issues for the past few years, and I saw this ad on TikTok for Pop On Veneers, and thought I'd give it a try. I went and got an estimate for new teeth for dental implants, $22,000. In the meantime, I was able to come up with $2,300 for them to make a bridge for me, and I'll show you that. It's right here. $2,300 for that. So Pop On Veneers sent me a impression kit. Took 2 days to get here. I made the home impressions. They give you 3 chances, so not to worry. Anybody can do it. And then a couple weeks later, I just got my new Pop On Veneers, and I'll show them to you now. I have missing teeth, top and bottom, and I'm in the hospitality business, so very important to have a nice smile. I'll show you what they look like. Just click in. It's the bottom. And the top. I got the Hollywood white, and I love it. Thank you so much, Pop On Veneers. Godsend.